In February 2022, we toured the 3-bedroom ground villa at Animal Kingdom Lodge. Here is the main living area with huge windows. This 3-bedroom ground villa is across 2 stories. This is one of the bedrooms with a king-size bed, with doors out onto a balcony. Each of the rooms has a TV in it. Across the hallway is the bathroom with a separate toilet, a bath and a walk-in shower. We love the tiles in this room. The bath is one of the jacuzzi baths, which they are phasing out. With the refits, they're mainly putting in the champagne bubbles bath. Again, the main living area. We're going upstairs. There you can see the washer and dryer. Up on the next floor, you have a good overview of the living area. It also has a seating area with another TV. Down the hallway, there's another bathroom with, again, a separate toilet and a bath with an overbath shower. Here's the twin room on this floor. Again, this has access onto a balcony. And again, another TV. Back across the landing, there is another bedroom. The next bedroom has 2 double beds and a TV and access onto a balcony. Across the hallway is another bathroom with a bath and over bath shower and a separate toilet room.